So honestly, I don't even know how to start correctly this vlog, but let's just start from the point. So yesterday I decided to build, I don't know how it is called in English, some kind of fate matrix. So it's some kind of tool that helps you to understand things about yourself according to the place and time when you were born. So yesterday I built this chart online and then asked ChatGPT to tell me what it means. And he said that your talent and what you were born for is to speak, to inspire people, to be like a spiritual coach, something like this, to teach people. And you know, I don't believe blindly into these tools, but when they prove that you was thinking about, you get some kind of permission to do it. So I always wanted to have my own YouTube channel. I was always thinking, but maybe not right now, because my room isn't perfect, my skin isn't perfect, I'm poor, I have nothing to talk about. But I always had this desire to speak and to connect with people. So I thought yesterday at night, I was crying that I need to start right now, and it doesn't matter how my room looks like, how I look like, I'll just do it to express myself, and at least I will do something. So yeah, it will be some kind of vlog where I want to share my thoughts. I want to show my life in Russia, Yes, I'm from Russia, but why I decided to do videos in English? Because to be honest, in Russian I feel more vulnerable, and when I speak English, I I understand that most of my friends or family members or people who just live in the same country won't understand me, and I just feel more free when I speak English. Yeah, so right now I'm getting ready to go out with my friend for a basketball competition, something like this, media basket, and I want to get ready for it, do my makeup, and to talk a little bit with you, because I like talking and yeah, I need to share this with someone, even though nobody will watch it. I still will feel a little bit, I guess, satisfied. So what's the problem? The problem is that I have just graduated from university and I don't know what to do in life. And yesterday it was like a scene from the movie Eat, Love, Pray, Eat, Pray, Love. My favorite movie and book, by the way, where just in the middle of the night I started crying, not knowing what to do in my life and praying. So the problem is that I don't want to have a regular life. What I mean, that I will stay in Perm, in my native city, go to work from 9 to 5, have family, have credit for a flat, pay credits, earn not so much money. Like, I don't see sense in this kind of meaning for myself. I want something bigger. I don't know, I want to make change. I don't understand what I should do in this life. And for me, this life seems really boring, and to be honest, I don't want to live like this, like many people do. And I don't want to stay in my city because, I don't know, it has become so boring for me. Like, I know everything here and I just want to move somewhere. But where? Moscow? I don't like Moscow because it's too crowded. It's like megapolis and there are too many people. They are rushing somewhere. they are thinking about only money. I don't know, they don't have life like the life I want. I guess some people will say that you are too young and you don't know anything about life, but this is what I feel, and I want to try to do something for a change. Yes. So I after graduation, I went to Turkey. I've been to Turkey many times, and that this time was also incredible experience. And you know, in Turkey I feel alive. I feel like I can connect with people. I get inspiration every day just because I have sun and sea and mountains in the place where I live. So I decided that maybe I should live somewhere near the sea. So this is my goal now. But how to achieve it? I need to make money. So my education, what I studied for, is linguistics. So I learned English and Spanish. And for the last 4 years, I've been working as an English tutor. Firstly with kids in my area here, and after that online with adults, mostly. And recently I got an imposter syndrome that I'm not good enough for teaching English, and honestly sharing it here on YouTube channel, because I know that my English isn't perfect, and I'm afraid that some people will say that how can you teach English, you don't know it. Yeah, maybe, but still I've been doing it for last 4 years. But then I got like some kind of really bad period for me, because I was writing my thesis and it was really difficult for me, and I thought that no, I don't want to be an English tutor anymore. But now I think maybe I want because I like talking to people, I like teaching. I just think that my English isn't good enough. That's by the way one of the reasons why I want to do this YouTube channel, because I want to practice my English. Yeah, and teaching English online will give me an opportunity to travel if I get enough money for this, and probably if I get enough students, I will have enough money for traveling or living near the sea. So I don't know, should I try it or no, because it's risky. But at the same time, I wanted to work in tourism. But companies here, they don't accept me because they say you don't have an experience or something like this. How can I get an experience if I just graduated? I don't understand this world. So I'm a little bit confused right now, and I'm thinking what to do in my life. Yeah, and I needed to share it with someone. So guys, I shared it with you. Thank you for listening. Yeah, so now I'm getting ready for meeting with my friend to basket competition. And recently I've been listening to many podcasts, many videos on YouTube about universe, about spirituality, connecting with God, with universe, you can call it whatever you want. And I have a lot of information like this, and I want to prove it, to check it for myself if it works or no. But I know that it works because it has worked already for me, and maybe share it with you. And right now I'm walking a lot since I have a lot of free time. I can't find my brush. So it's a good practice not only for your physical health but also for your mental health. So I think I will walk to that place. So I'm almost ready. I just need to finish with my perfume. Oh gosh. And I'm grateful for my life here because I have a place where I can live. I have the best family. I have wonderful friends. I have hobbies here. But I just feel stuck, especially during autumn, winter, and spring when the weather is awful outside. So I just want to have freedom, like when you can go whatever you want and you do something important and you like what you do, and it's also helpful for people. So I need to find that what I can do to have this kind of lifestyle, and it seems pretty difficult for now, but I believe that I can do it because I've been listening to many podcasts and videos, and yeah, I believe if I can imagine that kind of lifestyle for me, then I can live it. So let's see, let's wait for it. So I have to walk for like an hour, but I can listen to music, I can think, and I can listen to different podcasts, and the weather is fine. It's like 20 degrees today. So yeah, I enjoy walking right now.
2, 1, вам слово. Самойленко. Еще раз остается один. Мимо денег. Петрищенский. Быстро отрыв. И 3, 2. Вот сюда, девчат, вот сюда несите, пока там пилится контент.
Waiting for my bus. I'm tired, to be honest. I just want to watch a movie and relax. Good morning. It's already another day, and I woke up at 12, pretty late, and I hate getting up late because I don't have enough time for doing everything that I want during the day, but I can get up early because I can't sleep at night. So it's the problem that I need to solve these days, starting wake up early. Yeah, so today we will go to the nature with my family, and before that I want to learn some Spanish because for the past 3 or 4 days I've been learning Spanish every day because I had Spanish at university, but during the last year we didn't have it, and I don't want to lose my Spanish at all. So I think I need to learn it by myself. I learn it just with the internet, some students' books sometimes, some videos on YouTube. For example, yesterday I learned the words, let me see, parientes políticos, familia numerosa, familia monoparental, tener una relación estrecha con, de estatura media, tener pinta de, look like. Por ejemplo, yo tengo pinta de mi padre. Ser de trato fácil. To be easygoing. Ser de trato fácil. Y algunos, some more words. Yeah, so now I have like 30 minutes to do my Spanish, and after that we will go. No entiendo la diferencia entre hay y está. De verdad. Número 2. Unos amigos míos están ahora. Okay, number 3. Ai um comedor. I will pretend that I understood my mistakes, but to be honest, it's like a little bit, I don't know how to explain, just it's not obvious, I would say. So this is another part of our city, which is called Gaiva. It's like another area, another district. It's my dad. This is my brother. So it's beautiful here because there is like a lot of nature. Yeah, a lot of trees, everything is green. People are walking. So we want to take a ride on the boat, right? And we are looking for a good place to start, to go to another side of the river. This is our goal today, our adventures. It looks pretty nice here. Do you like it?
Yes.
It's so peaceful here. I love this place. I did a new hairstyle, so I realized that I love nature and I feel really good at nature, especially near the sea or just water, but sea is better. But it's also looks pretty nice.
Вот туда, вот туда. Так, на, речка. На своем делаешь?
Так.
Гонял ставишь, да? Вот и так вот делается, да? Ой, ты не готовый.
Что-то я чувствую воду в своих ногах.
Много захлебнуло. Наши волны. Я вот чуть не утонул. Да, в лодке. Звездовая, да?
It was a scary experience because the boat isn't strong enough for 3 of us. So it was really extreme. And I decided to take off my shoes to connect with nature and with earth. You know, there is such practice when you touch the ground with your bare feet and you feel connected, you feel grounded. Oh my gosh, I'm a horrible blogger. But it was fun. Our lunch consists of sausages fried on the fire on the sticks. The best sausage in my life. Very tasty. We ate lunch. We drove on our boat, if I can say it like this. It's really fun. And now I'm just waiting for my dad. He's still on the boat, lying here, looking at the trees, enjoying the sun. It's amazing to be near the nature. Do you like, guys? Do you like nature, guys? Let me know in the comments. I think you can see the difference between me in the city and here. Yeah, so good.